Hi everyone, this is Shirley and this is Jamminw with Yarn. This is January the 1st and it is a little bit late. I do apologize. I am on my laptop, which is an old laptop, and I can see the graininess right now. But this is the giveaway, the winner. And as I said in the video, if you were watching the videos, that I was going to pick a winner from the people who left a name for the comment for my little yellow friend. And I got some really good names. Number one was from the Dabbling Hook, the little yellow guy. I like that because it's easy to remember. Number two, Pineapple Joe by Angela Young. Number three, Little Jammin' by Classy Kim's Crochet. And I like that one because it's easy to remember. And number four by Purple by Seta. I love it. So it's only four, which is fine, the least, you know. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick a number with the random number picker. I put in numbers 1 through 4, and whoever that is, you are the winner. The next thing is you have to pick someone from the list that's in the description box below. And these people are people that I shopped with during 2020. First, I was going to do a random number picker with them, but then I just said, you know what? You guys go through the list and see who you like. And the price is a $40 prize. You pick what you want. Give me the information. Give me your address information. I will order it and have it shipped to you. So I'll pay, but the shipping will be to you. That's how we're going to do this. Okay? I hope whoever you buy something from that you are happy with, and that you come back again, not just to win. None of these are regular people, so that's what I like. These are my bread and butter if I was making money from YouTube, but I'm not. Excuse the look. I got my grandson's jacket on. It's been in my house since I don't know when. He's married, gone, and I'm finally going through the closets and I'm getting rid of stuff. I've gotten rid of a lot of stuff, okay, and I'm going to keep doing it until my house is very simple with only my stuff. So I know I'm procrastinating and I am going way out. So let's pick a number. And please, if you have not subscribed, if you're looking at this for the first time, please subscribe, leave a comment, and come back again on my regular videos. I will be having something to show on my next video. I think I have my mojo back. At least it feels like I have it back. So I'm going to be doing that, and then I also will be doing what have you done along with that during the year 2021. So I'm going to turn my phone around. I've never used this one. It has a lot of advertisement on it. So it's, I don't know, 1 through 4. And, oh goodness, can I just, oh, it's right here. It's a spin thing. It's a spin thing right here. If you guys have a one that you use, please let me know. Okay, we're going to spin it. And who is that? Number 1 is the winner. Ah, the little yellow guy, the Dabbling Hook. She is the winner. Okay, she's number 1. She's the one on my little scratch paper here. Okay, I'm going to have you, please go below, pick what you want from any one of these people. This is $40, that's including shipping, so make sure she know how to do it because she's actually won a prize before from me. So I look forward to hearing from you. I will send you a, since I know her, I will definitely send her a, leave her a message on her YouTube channel. Yeah. Okay, you guys, thank you for participating, those who participated, and I'll see you on my next video this month, and Happy New Year. Bye.